The BetterWeigh mobile towing scale is a great tool to measure the overall weight of your vehicle and trailer setup. To calculate vehicle weight, start by selecting the weight feature from the home screen. Beginning from a complete stop, accelerate through 15 miles per hour in a straight line on a level surface and you should have your weight reading. It is important that you perform this acceleration in a straight line. BetterWeigh will disregard any data collected while the vehicle is turning. If you don't get a reading, stop and try again. Every time you repeat this process, BetterWeigh gathers more data and increases the accuracy of your reading. To calculate weight of the towed load, weigh your vehicle alone, then with the load attached. Subtract the weight of your vehicle from the combined weight of the vehicle and load. Keep in mind that in order to get a more accurate reading, BetterWeigh works best with medium throttle acceleration, but it should still be able to get a reading from low or high throttle acceleration. Once you have a measurement, you can increase or decrease the scale range by pressing the plus or minus buttons on either side of the gauge. You can also take a screenshot by pressing the screenshot icon. This will save your measurement to your photo gallery with a date stamp for your records. Now you're ready to tow safely. Know what you tow with the BetterWeigh mobile towing scale.